Good morning, everyone. This is Laurie, Girl on the Ridge. Happy Monday and happy Memorial Day. I just wanted to come say a quick hello, and we had a beautiful weekend. My granddaughter started out a little rough, but she got it together, and she had a wonderful time. So we had a really good time. So thank you for all your wonderful comments. I really appreciate all you guys. And I got to run the cotton candy machine, and literally I was covered in cotton candy, and it was heaven because that is my very, very favorite. So we had a good time. So we had a couple Memorial Day services today, so I wanted to just play a little. And I noticed all my pink embellishment kits are gone, so I wanted to put some more kits together. And this is just going to be vintage embellishment kit. And you will get a paper clip with a bag. And all these, they're gonna be listed as one, but they're all gonna change slightly. They're all gonna be Victorian ladies, but they're all not gonna be the same. And in these packs, you will get, this is, again, the tickets will be different. These are from Sue Olson. Seed packet with just a little journal. The common denominator in these are mostly the homemade paper. So that's just a little butterfly, bigger seeds. So that'll come in here. And tomorrow I'm going to start on my Bella Vintage notebook and all that paper. This is a big envelope. I had gotten a whole bunch of these when I got the sub bags. I wasn't sure what to do with them. They had the window, so I made a little bag. You can either glue it down in your book or use it separate. And then in here, I did the wax. Just a vintage. Some are boots. Again, a lot of these are different. Some are boots, shoes. It's just kind of going to be random. And it's just a tuck spot. You can use it as a pocket, whatever you want to do with that. And then this is a piece of coffee filter I just ruffled up, and then I gessoed over it. So it's a little stiffer. And that just goes through the window. You can put something else through the window if you want. And these are a little shy of 8 by 5. Those are pretty big. And then this, you will get, this I did, again, these are glued right on with the paper, homemade paper. And then on the back, there's a little, just an envelope, 3-piece envelope that you can use as a tuck spot or use it in your book somewhere. And these are pretty much all similar. And because then, let's see, I made, like I said, they're all going to be this similar, but just a tad different. And those are the other kits I got to put together, but by the time this video is done. And then you will get, I got this little glass, or this, I don't know, bag. I got tons of bags. And thank God for Bella Vintage Notebook, because she shows you what to do with all these bags. This is a piece of trim that I just got, and it kind of, well, this is an extra piece. It stretches out. This has the little sequence on it. And then this you could almost use like a cheesecloth. So that holds it. And these are 2 bags. Flowers that are sewed together or glued together with some lace. And in each one of them, oh, that's a card. You will get probably a little over a yard of each of the colors. And it's the same kind of trim. And then I just made a tag out of each, just to give you an idea of, I just did vintage. This one's got a little washi tape on it. So that'll be in there. And as usual, you'll get a surprise. Oh, and then I put a playing card in each one of these. These are really pretty. I haven't really used these yet, but they go... That one's an Aster. And those are my favorite Cosmos. So that each one has a playing card in there. So that's the kits that I'm going to... Or they're listed in my Etsy now. And then what else I've been doing... This is an addiction because I'm having a good time at the party and this and that. And we got home late and I'm crafting because I missed it. This is really an addiction. But it's a good addiction. So those are the vintage embellishment kits. And again, you'll get a surprise because I'm always adding to stuff. And then I was working on my envelope for a tattered dream. Make sure I'm in frame here. And I haven't really did much other than I was watching... Oh, I added some paper here. I was watching Creative Girl from, well, Sophie's Notes, but she's got a video on right now. I got it on quiet. Hi, Susie. And she's got a tutorial. She showed you a tutorial of these, I think she called them, I'm not sure, skinny books. And she used the time cards, but in a different way. So she's got a tutorial on right now. But I used it, I did the accordion, and these are from Tattered Dream. And I just made it where I can hold, again, somewhere where I know where all my paper is, all my handmade paper embellishments. And that's a flip up. And this was simple to use. And she's got a tutorial on how you put all these together. So this is, again, this is my trying of staying organized and knowing where my ephemera is, my made ephemera, other than sticking it in a box, because then it gets buried. As long as it closes. Yep. And then this I just did a bag, and I'll put some more stuff in. And that's just a flip. But these are fun to have on your desk. I just need to, and that's a little Tim Holtz girl. I need to look at things pretty. So that's the other thing I was working on. So I am going to clean my desk, and then tomorrow I will be starting my, I got a couple more orders, and then the big file folder with the Bella Vintage Notebook kit I got a couple weeks ago, and all that beautiful lace I will share for my great-great-grandmother. And that's this. You guys have a wonderful day. Enjoy the rest of our weekend, and we'll see you tomorrow. Bye.